My day begins with coffee. I boil chuatang. Did you know chuatang is mudfish stew? Wait, will I have mud? The mudfish is all crushed up in this stew. Joy, sadness, happiness, and love are all a draw. Here's my collection of refrigerator magnets. I wish I could travel more. Breakfast is ready. Looks like a boring meal. This is actually another special one. I take dietary supplements every morning. Done. Radish leaves half dried in the balcony. You know, shiregi. Today's lunch is pasta. Cut before dinner. It smells so good. It was juicy and tasty.
外国人のための値引きがあるの。
I'm learning Japanese for
彼女
traveling.
と会う機会がありました。
A New Year
またの
starts this
機会
Saturday.
にしましょう。目を閉じる
Just to you
と
on a New Year's
何も見え
Eve,
ない。
sending you love.
次の機会にお願いします。
Wishing you the best
信
in
じられない。
2022.
よろしいでしょうか。
You know what? 2022 is pronounced 2022. Happy New Year.